Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart account step by step clearly. To activate your MyChart account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MyChart website for your healthcare provider. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign up or activate account. Click on that option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter some personal information. Fill in your name, date of birth, and any other required details. Next, you may need to provide your email address. Make sure to use an email you have access to. After entering your information, click on the Next button. Now, follow the prompts to verify your identity. You might receive a verification code via email or text message. Check your email or messages for this code. Once you have the code, return to the MyChart page. Enter the verification code into the provided field. After verification, you will be guided to create a username and password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once your credentials are set, click on Submit or Create. Now, return to the MyChart login page. Enter your new username and password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the features available to you. That's it. Your MyChart account is now successfully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.